Well, I am here with Tina. Tina, former mayor, former councillor of Tamworth and up to, well, sort of North Midlands,
North-ish, yeah, Midlands.
Indeed. What on earth have you come down here for?
Because we've subscribed to your channel on YouTube, the Electric Van Man.
Electric Van
And
Man.
apparently he's quite famous, so we thought we'd come and see a celebrity for the day.
But why really?
So we've got a ironing and a cleaning business. Obviously we go out to people's houses and we want to do our bit for the environment. We've already got an electric MG as our everyday car, and I need a van to put all the different hoovers in, all the cleaning stuff, cloths and everything, and it just doesn't fit in the car.
An ironing, right?
Yeah, we do ironing as well, but that's obviously done at home.
If you need your ironing done in
yeah,
Tamworth.
you know, creases on your sleeves that clearly haven't happened.
Not happened.
Didn't plug the iron in.
But anyway, so you've driven an electric van. You're
Yeah.
used to driving electric, aren't you? So
Yes.
were you happy with an electric van?
Yeah, so obviously bigger, and I had you sat next to me, so it was like, I've got to drive nicely now. I feel like I'm on my driving test. I normally have foot to the metal girl, so you know,
come on.
the sports mode was
Sport
good.
mode was like,
It went, yeah, we're
you
going.
did get a bit excited.
Yeah,
then.
yeah, we did get. So yeah, I'm good. But obviously bigger than what I'm used to. I have driven a van before, but yeah, we need an electric van now to do our bit for the environment and store everything we need to store.
And save some money, right?
Save some money, yeah.
So you've done some maths, haven't you?
Yeah.
What do you think you might save every year?
Well, hubby, being the geek that he is, over there, worked it out over 10,000 miles and where it would cost you probably £2,000 night on for a nice car. It's £200 for an electric, so the maths add up.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
So it's good for sense.
I like to spend my money on something else.
Oh, okay.
Like,
so you're going to spend the savings.
Probably, yeah.
Okay.
And minimal servicing.
Yeah.
Minimal.
Minimal servicing. What do you do it?
But you told me you were high maintenance.
No, he's high maintenance.
Oh,
not me.
he's high maintenance.
He's the high maintenance one,
Right.
yeah.
Okay. But yes, you're absolutely right. It is ultra low maintenance as
Yeah.
well, and it just makes life so much easier.
Yeah. And you're always going to have the petrol heads that are never going to change.
Mm.
They're always going to have their diesel or petrol car.
Mm.
We made the change. We didn't go hybrid.
Mm.
We went full EV, had the MG ZS, and now we've got the MG4 Trophy long range. Love it. Unfortunately, I'm getting old. I've got a bad back today, having come down here,
Yes.
and I need something a little bit higher and a little bit more comfortable to
And a
drive.
bit more space.
A bit more space around me,
Yeah.
and that higher driving position.
Fantastic.
So I loved the test drive that I've just done. You can come again.
Well, Tina and Simon over there, I am so grateful that
Yeah.
you come down, and it does make me a little bit happy that
Your
you've seen
celebrity status, yeah.
yeah.
The electric van man. He's a celebrity.
Yay! So if you want an electric van, you know where to come. Come and have a chat, and I'm even going to take it to their house
Yes.
when they buy it. They haven't bought it yet, but we're nearly there.
We've got good coffee.
Good coffee.
And we might even buy biscuits if we know you're coming.
Happy days.
Or we might even just go to the club.
Sounds like a plan. Have a great day, everybody.